Tonight we're breaking out our panini press and making a classic Italian treat, pesto chicken paninis. Thin sliced, tender and juicy chicken breast is seasoned and pan-seared in olive oil, then layered on top of buttered ciabatta with pesto sauce, fontina cheese, and fresh arugula. This gourmet sandwich is bursting with flavor and it melts in your mouth when you bite into it. We're making pesto chicken paninis in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. Tonight we're making a classic Italian specialty sandwich, pesto chicken panini. Thin sliced seasoned chicken breast, sautéed in extra virgin olive oil, is placed on a buttered ciabatta with pesto, fontina cheese, and arugula, then grilled on a panini press. This gourmet Italian sandwich will melt in your mouth and will have your taste buds exploding with flavor. Our mise en place for tonight's entree is 2 to 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of pesto sauce, a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. For each sandwich, you'll need 2 pieces of sliced and buttered ciabatta. You can also use focaccia bread, 2 tablespoons of pesto sauce, 2 slices of fontina cheese, and 2 slices of Havarti cheese, and 8 to 12 pieces of fresh arugula. The first step is to make the seasoning for the chicken breast. In a bowl, combine a tablespoon of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of pesto sauce, a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, Italian seasoning, crushed red pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder, and an ounce of lemon juice. Stir it together thoroughly and set the bowl aside. Next, we'll slice the chicken breasts into small, thin slices. A tip to help make slicing easier is to put the chicken breasts into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes before slicing. The meat does not freeze, but it firms it up just enough to help you slice each piece evenly. Put the pieces of sliced chicken breasts into the bowl of seasoning and coat each piece thoroughly. In a large pan, pour a few tablespoons of olive oil and turn the heat to medium-low. Place the seasoned chicken pieces into the pan and sauté them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Since the chicken is very thin, they'll cook very quickly. Place the cooked chicken pieces onto a plate and cover them with aluminum foil so that they'll stay warm. Pour any excess olive oil into a small bowl. We'll use it later to brush on top of our bread. Before we assemble the sandwich, we need to get our panini press ready. Wipe the inside down with olive oil and turn the machine on to get hot. Take the 2 pieces of buttered ciabatta and put them in the pan on medium-low heat. This will toast the bread just a bit and give it a nice crunch and texture on the inside of the sandwich. Next, we'll begin to assemble our sandwich in layers. Place 2 pieces of fontina cheese onto the inside of the toasted ciabatta. Add the arugula, the chicken, and the pesto sauce. Spread the pesto sauce evenly over the chicken. We'll add a few drops of olive oil over the chicken too. This is optional, but there's lots of flavors in the oil. Add 2 pieces of Havarti cheese, and then put the other toasted slice of ciabatta on top of the sandwich. Brush some olive oil over the top of the sandwich and place it onto the panini press. Close the lid and press it down. Every machine is different, but this one took about 3 minutes to get the top of the bread toasted and also get the cheese melted on the inside. Use a spatula and place the toasted panini onto a cutting board. Slice it in half and you're ready to serve. And there it is! Pesto chicken panini! This is one of the most flavorful sandwiches that you'll ever make. Toasted ciabatta with fontina cheese, arugula, tender and juicy thin sliced chicken, pesto sauce, and creamy Havarti cheese. It's the classic melt-in-your-mouth gourmet Italian sandwich. It was delicious! Until next time, bon appetit!